Haiyun Grain Machinery is going to Istanbul. We are excited to announce our participation in IDMA 2026, the world's leading exhibition for grain and beans processing technology. Find us at booth 4A22. With over 70 years of experience, Haiyun Grain Machinery is a trusted manufacturer of complete flour milling lines. Our factory covers 50,000 square meters, where we design, engineer, and assemble all core equipment in-house. We have ISO certification, and every machine undergoes strict quality control before leaving our workshop. Our product range covers 6 series and more than 30 products, from roller mills, plant sifter, purifiers to fully automated control system. We provide turnkey solutions from 60 to 300 tons per day, customized for wheat, corn, buckwheat, oat, rice, beans, and more. Our advanced milling technology ensures high extraction rates, lower energy consumption, and easy operation. We have successfully delivered the project to Eastern Europe, Central Asia, Central America, Africa, and more. From a single machine to a complete milling plant, we support our customers with installation, training, and after-sales service. Now, we invite you to meet us face-to-face in IDMA 2026 in Istanbul. At the booth 4A22, you will see the live demo of our latest flour milling equipment. Our engineers will be there to answer your technical questions and provide a free consultation to your project. Save the date, June 25th to 27th, 2026, Istanbul Expo Center, Turkey, booth 4A22. We are looking forward to your visit in Istanbul. Haiyun Grain Machinery, your reliable partner in grain processing.